Now, as the political fight gets bigger, MOS Railways Manoj Sinha has said that Railways will not institute a separate probe into the matter of Sharda scam.
ऐसा है कि सीबीआई जिस मामले की जांच करे उसमें रेल से जांच की जरूरत नहीं है और सीबीआई जांच में जो दोषी पाया जाएगा उसके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई सरकार करेगी। मैं किसी का नाम नहीं ले रहा हूं। सीबीआई जांच कर रही है। जांच में जो दोषी पाया जाएगा whosoever he may be or she may be, the law will take its own course.
All right, Shambhit is joining us for more on this story. Shambhit, once again there is a connection which is cropping up between TMC and the Sharda scam, but the government refuses to acknowledge it.
Exactly. In fact, what the Railway Minister for State has told media persons that if CBI is investigating this Sharda scam, they will look into all angles and there is no need for any separate investigation by the Railway Ministry about this deal between IRCTC and Sharda Tours and Travels, which actually had taken place. The agreement was signed during the time when Mamata Banerjee was the Railway Minister, and after that Dinesh Trivedi and Mukul Rai from TMC were the railway ministers. Now the opposition is demanding that this deal should come under scanner of CBI investigation. In fact, CBI officials will definitely look into all these allegations. That is what we have got to know from our sources in the CBI. But what exactly was the deal and how this deal had transpired, that's not yet clear, because Mamata Banerjee had announced this Bharat Tirtha railway project, railway services in 2010-2011 budget, railway budget, and after that, at the end of the 2010, this deal was signed between Sharda Tours and Travels and IRCTC for coordinating the tours, this pilgrimage tours that were being that was announced by the railway minister at that time. So, if any influence was at work behind this deal going to this tender going to the Sharda Tours and Travels company, that's yet not known. So that will come under scanner of CBI. That is what the opposition is demanding at this moment. But TMC is denying this charge and they're saying they're open to any kind of probe into this particular agreement.